Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AAPL, Apple. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very impressive movement on Apple. I mean, you stop to think about the fact of where it closed on Wednesday and then where it was able to fight back today. Good, solid move. Now, granted, the last 30 minutes here was pretty rough, but still, relatively speaking, even from where it closed to where it was down here, that was a good, solid move. But with the craziness here, that does still bring about the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here at 113. Why is 113 important? And I'm not saying this was going to actually happen, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 113, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, that would quite literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out of. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. But to be fair, no price can go straight up. So maybe the price does come down here, behaves in that manner, then start to work its way back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have these lows down there if you envision each one of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, quote-unquote, progress being defined as 113. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level to watch moving forward, initially going to be right up here at the 117 mark. You can see the last several times the price has been up around this general area. It's just presented problems, including today. But if the price can push up through the 117, next key level would be that pink line right there, which is the 200 period moving average, valued right up there around the 117.75 mark. But all in all, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.